Blumenthal, Natural Transplants here in the DC office, and we are excited. We got Andrew today. Andrew, welcome.
Thanks.
You're local to the DMV.
Yep, Silver Spring, Maryland.
Didn't have to drive too far. Thank you for doing this and sharing your story with everybody. If you wouldn't mind, sharing with everybody, first of all, how you found us, and then maybe why you're here.
Yeah, sure. Found you guys online, so highly rated. While I'm here, I'm just looking for an opportunity to restore my hairline for a bit of a more youthful look.
Okay. Yeah. Awesome. Now, looking at you, you would not guess that you have lost any hair. You're like, why are you there? What are you doing? I'm going to mess up your hair a little bit and have Saul zoom in a little bit. So he hides it well, but as you can see, in the corners, he's got some decent recession here, especially the temples. So, and same thing on the other side. I'll just expose that a little bit. So you can see on both sides in the corners. He's happy with where the hairline is in the center, which I think is great. I think it looks nice and natural on him. But in the corners here, we're going to do a little bit of work. So we're going to drop the hairline down some, but you don't want to drop it down too much. If you drop it down too much and you sort of have an angle like this, that's a much more feminine hairline. And we want for him to keep a nice masculine hairline. So we still want it to be angular up here. So in order to cover this area, which a lot of guys hate, I hated mine as well, we build out the temples a little bit. And you can be subtle. Even a little subtle change in the temples can make a huge difference. So you don't want to overdo it. You don't want to be 50, 60 years old and have real 18-year-old temples. So you got to be really careful about that. But like I said, even subtle changes in the temples can make a big difference. So that'll be the goal. We'll draw it all out, and then we'll come back and see what we got.
Fantastic.
Sound good? Awesome.
Yeah.
Cool. With Andrew, and we have drawn out our line. Subtle, but I think it's going to make a really big difference. We didn't necessarily drop his hairline in the front. We just kind of reinforced where it was, but we didn't really bring it down too far. But I'll show you. But the temples we did. So again, we're bringing maybe a half a finger in the hairline, but the temples we're doing some work, and I think that's going to make the biggest difference. Initially, we just drew the temples, but then we add a little bit more that was standing up here. So this is what it looks like. I think it's going to look nice and natural on them. We're both happy with the line, and we got a couple Valium on board. You feeling all right?
Feeling great.
All right, let's do it. We'll check on you a little later.
Sounds good.
Awesome. Cool. All right, we are done with Andrew. Welcome, man. You did great. Congratulations.
Thank you. I pulled through.
You finished up. Tell everybody how the day went.
Fantastic. I can't say enough how much I appreciate everything Dr. Blumenthal and his team did for me. Completely professional. Completely, everything just went as expected. So I really appreciate it.
Oh, I love it. Thank you, man.
Yeah.
I love the surgery went great. We really packed it in there. I'm going to zoom in a little bit just so you kind of get a sense. But again, subtle changes with the temple. It was actually a lot. We actually went a lot, but there was some hair there, but pretty sparse. But we just sort of tightened it up a little bit, and then just sort of reinforced that first finger or so of the hairline, and then down into the temple on this side. And I love it. It looks fantastic. Awesome. If you had given yourself some, advice, let's say, yourself a year ago, or somebody that's on the fence thinking about it, looking around, what advice would you give them?
Say don't wait. I think the longer you wait, the harder it is. A team like Dr. Blumenthal and his crew are going to take care of you. So
awesome. I didn't even pay you to say that.
You didn't.
I hear that a lot. I wish I'd done this sooner, and I felt the same way. So thank you for sharing your story with everybody. Welcome to the family. We'll see you, we'll check on you as the year goes on, and hopefully we'll see the results in a year and show everybody how great you look.
Fantastic.
Awesome. Thanks, Andrew.
All right.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844-327-4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.